Hi everyone. I visited Dollywood on November 16th, and I have another construction update for Big Bear Mountain in Wildwood Grove. First, let's take a look at the area across from the giant tree swing. Let's check it out. You can see that work is continuing on the basin and the waterfall elements of the ride. Let's look at the area right behind Black Bear Trail Ride. This area is the end of the second launch and the beginning of the third launch. Here you can see the footers are all set and ready to take new columns and track. This is near the queue for Frogs and Fireflies. This is closer to the launches, and you can see the track after the third launch has been installed. Let's look at the second half of the ride. This will be the station area, waiting areas, maintenance shed, and the below-grade tunnel underneath the pathway. As you can tell, a lot of track is in place. There's a lot left to go. I'm assuming they'll get all the interior track in this area first and then move outward, and then they'll start on the station. Let's take a look back at this site throughout the 2022 season. That's it for this construction update. I hope to get one more update in before Dollywood closes for the season. Be sure to follow my blog and my YouTube page and keep up with my construction updates. Thanks for watching.